Television is a mass medium that provides entertainment, education, news, politics, gossip, etc. It is a medium for transmitting moving images in 2 or 3 dimensions and sounds. No doubt, it is a healthy source of both education and entertainment. It plays a critical role in society by delivering information. World Television Day was established in 1996 by the United Nations. Television was invented by John Logie Baird. It's celebrated annually by November 21 in 1996. The United Nations General Assembly declared November 21 World Television Day. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, television viewership increases. Social distancing and work from home have changed life. People now spend time together with their families, take food together, watch their favorite movies or shows together. Nowadays, TV has taken a center stage at home for family bonding and entertainment. Therefore, World Television Day is celebrated on 21 November to raise awareness among people about the role that it plays in communication and globalization, make people informed, etc. Thank you.